In the shadows, but this ninja is not going to escape our notice. Give it up for Mr. Sebastian Munoz. It's very important I bring this up. I believe he's here tonight. Vincent, give it up for Vincent. All night long. He's the funkiest Caucasian we know. You know, you've seen his Tinder profile, and we are very lucky to have him. Hey guys, how about a round of applause for you for coming up here? He got off his phone for you. That's how much you give, sir. God bless you. By the way, guys, we can see you. Just to make it clear, we're not on TV. We're not a hologram. We're not Tupac. We are here. Oh, okay. And then one white guy gets the Tupac reference. I like you. Yeah. Well, yeah. So yeah, put those cell phones away. You don't need them. Now we do have some some staff taking recording and stuff. Where are you? I think. Yeah, give it. I can't. I don't know who that is, but. While they're applauding. That's will work.
And Carlos Hernandez.
Hey, give it up for Carlos Hernandez. They're all part of the paparazzi who have they have the permission to record. Otherwise, put those phones away. No more booty calls. I see you in the front row, sir. And guys, let's have a good time. You want to have a good time? Yeah! It was written in iambic pentameter, so buckle up. Here we go. Welcome to Force of Nature's first lip sync battle. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we have 6 competitors lip syncing for our first place prize. Everybody say, ooh. Ooh. You did on the DL, but you still did the fingers. Guys, what happened to the fingers? Everybody say, ooh. Very nice. Yes. That kind of freaked me out. I didn't think that would work as well as it did. Now you too can compete for a prize. After all our performers have finished, you will get a chance to vote on who you want to win. Now there will be raffle tickets available in the lobby, and there will be an intermission toward the end of the show so that you will have an extra opportunity to do this. Now you can purchase 1 for $5, 5 for $20. I was told there'd be no math. But, oh yeah, give it up for our raffle bar right over here. In the front. Okay, so now it's just weird. Now it's just weird. And in front of the kids. That I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that. You guys can talk about it. Yes, so 1 for $5, 5 for $20 that you can use to vote for a winner. After the winner is announced, we will combine all of the votes and pull one raffle ticket. That audience member, which is you, will receive a Force of Nature prize pack. Sound good? Woo! Guys, I know we had an introduction before, but here are our judges. Give it up for Mr. George Burns. Sugar. Give it up for Sugar right over here. And Katrina. Give it up for Katrina right over here. I love this observatory planetarium. I just want to do La La Land all over your head. No, thank you. Wow. See, that wasn't creepy. You see what I'm saying? Consent. That's all I'm saying. That's all consent. We're all about that's all I'm saying. And the kids going, yeah. Good for you, sir. Good for you. All right. Now, our esteemed judges here will be voting on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 obviously being the highest score, and these votes will be combined with your votes. So yes, you have power. You have power, right? Yeah. The white guy's like, finally, yes!